Today I'm going to make this delicious green beans and corn on the stove, just a few ingredients. You're really going to love it. Hi there, I'm 𝗿𝗲 Ford with Renal Diet HQ, and today we're going to make a delicious, simple and easy dish for kidney disease. It's green beans and corn, and that is simple, but I think sometimes we forget that simple dishes, easy to put together, low sodium, are great for our diet, and they help us stay on track. So let me go through the ingredients with you. We have corn, we have green beans, equal amount. We have some onion, because I love onion and so do you. We have some garlic, same thing. Parsley and black pepper. And then we have a little bit of butter to put in the dish to start and kind of get the onions going. So let's get started. All right, we're gonna start. We're gonna put some butter in the skillet and melt it and add our onions. We're going to kind of soften those onions for a couple minutes before we put the other ingredients. All right, now we're going to add the green beans and the corn, and because they were frozen, we're going to cook them for 4 or 5 minutes just to heat them all the way through. And really all you do is just mix it so it all mixes together, gets that butter all over. Again, this is 2 servings, so you actually are getting a whole cup of corn and green bean mixture. It's a huge serving, delicious side dish, again, for people with kidney disease. And it's super quick and easy to make. Depending on how soft you like your vegetables, you might choose to cook them a little longer or a little less time. I could see some steam coming off, so I know these are hot. So you can just cook them till they're to the tenderness that you like. I'm gonna add the garlic, and that adds a lot of flavor without obviously adding salt. I put the garlic in close to the end so that it doesn't burn, but it still keeps its flavor and adds that delicious garlicky taste to this dish. All right, last step is to add the parsley and black pepper and stir that around. I'm going to turn it down a little more, and I'm just going to try to get that mixed in everywhere. The parsley actually adds a little bit of saltiness, in my opinion, flavor, without adding salt, because it's fresh parsley. If you don't have fresh parsley, you could use the spice. You just would add 1/3. So this is 2 tablespoons, so I'd add about 2 teaspoons of parsley that's dried. All right, this really looks good. We're gonna take it over to the table and have a little taste. I'm just gonna spoon myself some up into the bowl and then have a bite. This is 2 servings, so you actually get a lot of food in this dish. So let's have a bite. It's delicious. All right, there's our corn and green beans with a little bit of onions, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of parsley. And so let's have a taste. It's very hot right now. Still a little bit crunchy. It's just good. Like, this is a really good side dish. Tell me what other dishes you want to make in the comments, and bon appetit. Enjoy your green beans and corn.